guys, welcome back to my channel. कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. So today I am creating a super festive glam look जो आप weddings या upcoming festivals में easily carry कर सकते हो. I will be taking you step by step, so let's get started. सबसे पहले after moisturizing, I am starting with a primer. Primer लगाना is very important because it smooths out your skin and makes your base last longer. Just applying it all over my face and focusing on my T-zone. Next, I am using my favorite Mars Concealer Palette. इस palette का orange shade is perfect for color correcting pigmentation and dark spots. As you guys can see, I am applying it on my pigmented areas. Orange corrector instantly cancels out darkness and फिर जब हम कंसीलर लगाते हैं वो ज़्यादा फ्लॉलेस दिखता है. नाउ फ्रॉम द सेम पैलेट आई एम यूजिंग माई एग्जैक्ट स्किन टोन कंसीलर. गाइज सीरियसली दिस पैलेट इज़ सो अमेजिंग. अफोर्डेबल भी है, क्रीमी टेक्सचर है एंड कवरेज इज़ रियली इम्प्रेसिव. ऑनेस्टली दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट बजट फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स. Now moving on to foundation, I am using Malio Skin Veil Foundation. It's medium to buildable coverage, very lightweight and breathable on the skin. And this shade is thoda light for me, but it oxidizes after some time and sets perfectly with my tone. I'm blending it out with the help of a blending brush because personally I prefer brushes over beauty blenders. मुझे लगता है ब्रश से ज़्यादा flawless finish आती है. Also, I feel beauty blenders आपका बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट सोक कर लेता है, while on the other hand ब्रश यूज़ करने से आप exactly उतना अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोडक्ट यूज़ कर सकते हो जितना आपको नेसेसिटी है. आपको एक्स्ट्रा बहुत ज़्यादा फाउंडेशन और कंसीलर यूज़ करने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होता है when you use makeup brush. So right after blending the foundation, I'm going in with a concealer from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This has really good coverage, so I'm applying it on the high points of my face like the under eyes, forehead, chin, basically areas where I want a little brightness. And again मैं इसको blend करूँगी एक concealer blending brush से. And as you guys can see, my eye area looks so flawless after blending the concealer. मेरा eye area already बहुत ज़्यादा bright हो चुका है. And again I'm using the foundation blending brush to dab all the products into my skin ताकि अगर कोई भी crease line बन चुकी होगी तो वो भी उसको even out कर देगा. After that, I'm using the pink blush shade from the Mars palette again. Usually I use coral shades, but this time I chose the pink one. और हाँ, I know it looks like I applied too much blush, but trust the process guys. After baking and applying powder, ये सब कुछ बहुत beautifully set हो जाएगा. If you like less blush, आप थोड़ा कम apply कर सकते हो. It's totally your choice. Now I am setting my base with Sugar Cosmetics translucent powder. Today I am not using any compact powder to set my face because I want my base to look very breathable, lightweight and flawless. इसलिए मैं सिर्फ translucent powder ही use कर रही हूँ. But अगर आपका skin ज़्यादा oily है तो थोड़ा सा compact powder आप definitely use कर सकते हो. So powder को powder puff के help से लगाने के बाद I will simply use a powder brush to dust off the excess products. Moving on to the eyes, for the transition shade, I am starting with an orange shade and blending it nicely into the crease. Orange is such a warm base color that makes other shades pop. That's why I'm using the orange shade as a base. Next, I'm applying a brown shade only on my eyelid, not going too high, just on the lid. This brown shade actually helps to intensify the blue shade that I will be applying next. So now I'm using a blue eyeshadow on top and you can instantly see how vibrant it looks. To add that extra glam, I'm using a blue shimmer as well. First I applied with the help of a shimmer brush, but I feel shimmer का exact shade तभी बहुत ज़्यादा उभर के आता है जब आप उसको अपने fingers के help से dab करके use करते हो. And then of course I'm applying the same blue eyeshadow on my lower lash line to tie the whole look together. Then I'm applying a white shimmer to highlight inner corner of my eyes. And normally I don't really do my eyebrows, but since today's eye look is a little dramatic, I'm just filling them slightly for some depth and balance. And then I'm finishing off the eye look with a mascara. Also guys, never forget to apply mascara on your lower lashes because इससे आपका eye look और ज़्यादा enhance हो जाता है. So now for the lips, मैं use कर रही हूँ Mars का lip liner and I'm using the Mars lip liner for the first time and trust me the hype is real. ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And then I'm filling it with a nude shade because eye makeup is bold, so lips को मैं nude रख रही हूँ. Balance is the key, right? Now comes my favorite part, which is highlighter. I'm applying it on the high points of my face, nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow and chin. And guys, this highlighter stick is from Mars Cosmetics and trust me, this is so good. This is currently unavailable but I got it from an offline store and ये मैं बहुत ही पहले लिया था but trust me, this is so good. I wish ये stock में होता. Anyway, moving on to the last part, finally to lock everything in, I'm using Colors Queen Glowing Face Makeup Fixer. Guys, this product literally gives you that festive glow. Can you see the shimmer particles it has? Perfect for weddings or any special occasion. I mean, शादियों में कौन glow नहीं करना चाहेगा? So it keeps your makeup long lasting and also adds a subtle glow to the skin. So yeah, this is my final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. अगर आप recreate करते हो, then please do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your versions. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you found this helpful. और comments में बताना मत भूलना how you like this festive glam look. Till then, love you, bye. See you in my next video.